Confidence is important in life. Without confidence, we doubt ourselves. Today, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about finding confidence in life. Through their calm conversation, you will learn English, word by word, slowly, gently. Hello, Ananya.
Hello, Rahul.
You look a little quiet today.
Yes, I am thinking about myself.
About what?
About confidence and self-belief.
That is an important topic.
Yes, very important.
What does confidence mean to you?
Confidence means trusting myself,
Yes.
believing that I can do things.
Confidence is like strength.
A calm strength inside,
Confidence helps us move forward.
even when life is difficult.
Have you ever lost confidence?
Yes, many times.
Why?
Because of mistakes, because of failure.
Failure hurts.
Yes, it shakes the heart.
It makes us doubt ourselves.
Sometimes, I feel I am not good enough.
I have felt the same. Where do you think confidence comes from?
From experience,
Yes.
from learning, from trying.
Confidence grows slowly.
Like a plant,
Yes. We must take care of it.
with patience.
Do you compare yourself with others?
Sometimes, yes.
Does it help?
No, it hurts.
Comparison breaks confidence.
Yes, everyone has a different journey.
Different timing, different growth.
I must remember that.
Big success is not always needed.
Really?
Yes, small wins also build confidence.
Like what?
Finishing work, trying again, learning something new.
Those are small victories.
But very powerful.
I like this thought.
We are hard on ourselves.
Yes, we judge ourselves a lot.
Confidence needs kindness.
Kindness to our own heart.
Speak gently to yourself.
Like a friend?
Yes, be your own friend.
Confidence is not loud.
Yes, it is calm.
Quiet strength.
Soft courage.
Peaceful belief.
That is real confidence.
This talk gave me confidence.
Me too.
Confidence is not far.
It lives inside.
We just need to see it.
We just need to trust it.
Slowly, gently, step by step.
Just like learning English.
Yes, slowly, peacefully.
Confidence grows slowly, through calm conversations, through gentle understanding, and through patience. Today, you learned English, and you learned confidence.